Hey guys, Keith from Lex Brodies. I'm just doing my daily rounds. Came across this vehicle here, 200,000 miles. Customer saying they're having a growling or grinding noise coming from the front. On inspection, technician sees a lot of play in the wheel. Okay, takes it apart. The hub assembly, the inner race in the hub. Okay, the bearing should look like this. Okay, bearings got to be replaced. Okay, the bearings is the part that allows the wheels to spin. This is what the hub rotates on. Okay, so it allows the wheel to spin. A lot of force on these bearings. When it starts to wear out, it gets kind of pitted like this, or if you look at these hubs, okay, that's what causes the grinding noise. The bearings running over that rough surface will cause a lot of grinding noise. Thanks for watching our videos. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 9494-LEX. We'll be happy to answer your question.
Thank you very much.